how working with an end-to-end product development company sets your business up for success. Launching a supplement isn't about just choosing ingredients, it's about building a real business. Most founders underestimate how many critical decisions are involved, and that's where things can go wrong fast. And the biggest advantage a new brand can have is an experienced partner managing the entire product development process. Today, I'll tell you why a good partner saves you time, money, and months of unnecessary frustration. Number one, the industry is complex and hard to navigate alone. From claims and sourcing to packaging realities and manufacturing limitations, the supplement industry has far more moving parts than most founders expect. We guide you through the landscape from day one so you're not learning through trial and error. This keeps your decisions structured and intentional instead of reactive. Number two, you need someone who understands how all the pieces connect. Most founders try to manage formulators, designers, vendors, manufacturers, and branding teams separately. The problem is that none of these groups talk to each other. We connect the dots, help you choose a direction that fits your goals, and ensures your claims, format, and sourcing all work together. You don't need to become an expert, that's our job. Number three, our trusted supply chain partners protects you from costly mistakes. The wrong supplier can set your launch back months. We spent years building a network of reliable ingredient vendors, packaging partners, and manufacturers with fair queues and predictable timelines. The supply chain is one of the biggest advantages you gain by working with a real supplement development partner. Number four, make sure your product works in the real world. Ideas look great on paper, but everything changes once you enter sourcing, claims, production, and scale. We explain what's realistic, what needs refinement, how your concept behaves in manufacturing, and how to keep everything consistent over time. This is where most founders get blindsided, but you don't have to. Number five, you go to manufacturing prepared, not guessing. Manufacturers don't define your product, they only run production. We prepare you with a research-backed formula, aligned claims, reliable sourcing, packaging expectations, and the details your manufacturer needs. This prevents the delays and rework that derail most startups. Launching a supplement requires structure and real industry knowledge. With an end-to-end development partner guiding the journey, you avoid costly mistakes and build a product that succeeds in the real world. This is Matt Ziegler, CEO of HydroScience. Contact us and we'll help you through the process.
Contact us today and let us grow your brand from idea to reality.